let's see how you can use AI to generate a block. Under the Featured Collection section, click Add Section, and then at the top, click Generate. In the top left, you'll see a few suggestions, and you can prompt whatever you want to create in this box here. I want to create some social proof on my site, so I'll enter this. Create a 3-column customer reviews layout, each featuring a quote, a name, and a 1 to 5 star rating. Each of these elements should be editable. And then I'll click Send. Shopify will start to generate the code for your new section, and this may take up to a few minutes, depending on how complex it is. If it's not perfect, you can tweak it with some follow-up instructions here, but mine is looking pretty good. And if I check out the settings over on the left, it looks like I have even more control than what I thought I would have. I'll scroll up, and I'll call this section Generated Reviews, and then I'll click Save. Then I'll click back, and I'll drag this generated section underneath the featured collection. And now that I'm looking at it here, we can probably improve the design of this section by simply choosing a different color scheme so that it stands out. That makes the review cards stand out, and this looks like one cohesive design.